Christmas tree is going up.
Yeah, but you already got me on there.
So I am en route to Sarah's birthday dinner. We're going to World of Beer. Even though her birthday was last week, we are just gonna like celebrate tonight. So yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't done much else today. I did some emails for Zeta. Obviously don't have homework anymore, which is so amazing. But I just got ready and now I'm headed to dinner now. I really like my outfit. I'm just wearing like one of these those like see-through kind of long sleeve shirts with a tank top underneath, well like a strapless shirt. And it's like the snakeskin print, which is super cute. And I just have on like black jeans and my thigh-high boots.
My famous paper airplane.
Every year, he throws it in the tree and sees where it's gonna land.
Whoa!
Did you miss?
Yeah.
Took off perfect.
I don't like it.
No.
He's just cheating
Yeah.
and putting it wherever he wants.
No, that's too far.
Good job. So we're about to go shopping because Johnny leaves tomorrow. I'm gonna be alone.
I'm out here.
So we're spending the day today. We're gonna go shopping and like go to dinner and stuff and get some Christmas shopping done. And then you're leaving.
Date day.
Well, tomorrow, but. Huh? Why do you make that face?
Why not?
So John is inside O'Reilly's right now. He's returning a part, I guess. So I'm just waiting for him to come back. And we're gonna go to the mall, I think. And just like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff. To see what we can find. We might actually go to Walmart too, like first. Because he just needs some stuff for his trip. And I need some makeup, so we might just go there. He's leaving in the morning to go to Colorado. His family's traveling there because like his sister lives there, and his parents live in North Carolina, so they're all just kind of meeting there and visiting them. We'll be leaving super early tomorrow, and we just wanted to spend today together and have like a date night tonight. How much is gas right now?
$2.01.
Yep. I can't believe it. I even talked about my last vlog that I got gas for $2.09, and I thought that was so good, and now it's $2.01, and I don't even, this hasn't been this way for a very long time.
Do you think we'll see under $2?
Like, in what time frame? Like soon?
Like
Hopefully.
here soon, or ever?
Hopefully. It used to be, were you here when it was under $2? Or was that before you got here?
That was before I got here.
Yeah, because when he was in California, so what? We were in like...
California is like $5.
Yeah, but here, when I was in like 8th grade, like before you got here, no, I don't know, that was when it was like more. There was a time, like way a long time ago, it used to be like $1.50. Yeah, it was like $1.80. I feel like $1.80 was like the number. Gas got really expensive and it was like $4. And that's when my parents had a Navigator, so it took like $100 just to fill up our car. I'm here for these gas prices, aren't you?
Yep.
We're here for it. Have we been successful? We really have. We're moving to the mall now. It was a success, right? Might go to Target actually, but over here we did good. My hair looks like fluffy. My part's like not in the middle, but it's fine. The mall was successful too, don't you think? I actually got all of my Christmas shopping done besides him, like besides my gift for him. Which was like honestly better than I thought I was gonna do, because I thought I was gonna have to like figure out like the rest of my family like later. But I got everyone done. How much did you get done?
I didn't do crap. I just walked around.
Kinda. We got some things, but we still have to pick up a couple things like from him for people. And then right now we're... Oh dang it. Do you wanna do that first? We're at Bass Pro now. And they're gonna have all the Christmas decorations up. I just realized they make the whole thing like Winter Wonderland. So right now, we're going to Walmart because he has to get his little travel crap stuff. We might pick up some other things and then we are off to dinner. It's safe to say we did some damage. He makes up fake names.
I'm Stuart tonight, and she's Sam. Stuart and Sam, how cute.
I don't understand. The worst he's ever done is one time they made his name Elmo. So they called his name, they brought his food, and they're like, Elmo? god. We literally put so much food when we come here. So you can put as much as you want in the bowl.
I didn't put bacon, dang it.
So we literally look like fatties, but I just try and get like, you can get like 4 meals out of this. So I just put so much in the bowl. It's always like a competition. I think I'm winning that. He doesn't have as much as me. They're gonna think we're crazy. There it is, cooking away. I think mine has more. Why is everyone beeping in the morning? Everyone's mean in the morning. It's very early. It's 6:48. We're on the way to the airport. And I'm not ready like for work. So I'll probably go back to my room in between. So I'm about to drop him off. So sad.
Little bites.
Little bites. So I just got back home from work. I'm looking very pale. So I might tan tonight. I don't know. I actually have like a lot to do, like grooming wise. I have to do my nails, I have to do my eyebrows. I just have like a lot of stuff I need to get done. I wish I could take a bath tonight, but I actually need to clean my shower. So until I do that, I probably won't be taking baths, but I want to be able to relax. I still have to unpack everything from this weekend being at home, and I brought this little tree that my grandma got me. So I want to decorate that and put it out in the living room. And I also have to make dinner, so I'm not exactly sure when I'm gonna make it. I might do chicken and just like salad, or like spaghetti, I don't know, because I have like leftover sauce. Before John left, he gave me this jacket and he sprayed his cologne on it. It smells like him, and I'm sad. His flight landed today at like it was like 10 over there, but it was like noon here. I was watching it while I was at work, like online you can like track the flights, so I was watching, seeing when he was gonna land, and he's there now, safe, but now I'm here all alone. It is Thursday now. I didn't vlog at all yesterday just because I was at work all day, and then I literally came back here and I took a nap and I ate dinner and then I went to sleep again. So it wasn't very exciting. I also just got off work at like 2. It's 3 now. So after work I actually took some headshots for one of my sorority sisters because she said that she was just needing them, and obviously I take pictures for everybody, so she asked me to do that for her. So I'm back at my apartment now, and I actually have to clean. I know I talked about it earlier that I needed to like clean my shower and stuff, but I never did that, so I'm gonna be doing that right now, and then I'm gonna pack for the weekend to go home. I might actually be going to the Morphe store on Saturday because Jaclyn Hill is doing the ribbon cutting, which is super exciting. So I might be going with Sarah. On Sunday, my dad bought us all tickets to go see the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, so I need to pack for that and figure out my outfits. My room is now clean. Just vacuumed, dusted. Bathroom's clean. I just have that towel like hanging because I was kind of like drying things with it. Looks like, I love when there's like a candle burning and it's just like dark. I don't know. I'm actually gonna go out on my balcony right now and do some yoga. Like not really like hardcore yoga or anything. I'm just gonna stretch a little bit because I really want to start getting into stretching again like every day because it's so good for you. and I just don't do it enough. I was gonna go to the gym, but I think it's actually closed right now at my apartment they said they're having like a holiday party or something. So I can't get to that, but I was just gonna go outside and stretch out a little bit and get moving. So I just finished getting my stuff together. I definitely overpacked probably. I'm just taking the suitcase. I normally take a backpack, but I am going to be there until like Monday. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to wear like each day because I have like different things I'm doing this weekend. So I just brought like a bunch of different options. And then I have some books that I'm going to ship out because they were rentals. And then like the 2 on top of the suitcase I might go try and sell at this bookstore close to our campus. So I got home and got a package in the mail from Forever 21 because I ordered stuff on Cyber Monday. It kind of took a while, but I think I got all this for like $40, which is super good. I got this long maxi dress. It has like the slits on each side. It's kind of like it looked more like tan on the website, but it's kind of like yellow, but it's still super cute. It has like this tie, and this was $27.90, and I think these were all like $10 each or something. And I got this white shirt. It's kind of cropped and it has like the lace up like corset kind of thing. I got it to kind of like go with whatever I got like bottom wise, so I got these 2 skirts. I got like this white mini wrap skirt, which is like the lace, super cute, and then I got a longer wrap skirt that has the floral print and like another slit on the side. So I can wear this with either of these. I wanted some coffee and I wanted to hang out with my mom. So I said, Mom, let's go to Dunkin'. And then she said no. And then I convinced her to go. And then she said, let's go to Ross and Dunkin'. So she didn't want to go. Now we're going to Ross first. And we're listening to Christmas music. I'm getting like one thing, but it's fine. Got the goods. Look at their cute little tree. You're so cute. Got a haircut? What? What's your toy? Oh no! I just like threw it in the tree. So I'm back home now and showered. I have like some mascara still under my eyes, but it's fine. I actually just self-tanned, and obviously it doesn't look like it right now, but hopefully in the morning I'll be a little more bronzed. Use the Banana Boat Summer Color self-tanning lotion in deep dark, and they actually like just changed this where now it's like white, like the lotion comes out white. And it used to be like brown, like when I would put it on, so I kind of don't like it because I'm not able to see like where I'm putting it, and it's not very like instant, but I don't know, I've only used it like once, this new one, so I'll have to see how it works. When I was leaving today, I definitely felt like I was forgetting things, and I did because I forgot my toothpaste and pajamas, so it actually turned out kind of okay because I just have this shirt here. And it's like festive. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. I'm wearing it to bed. Kind of cute. Perfect for Vlogmas. So I'm kind of really annoyed right now. I just tried straightening my hair and I don't know if you can tell, it looks like just like bad. I just talked to my mom about it. I don't know if like there's something going on with our water, but it's like not doing this when I'm at my apartment. But the last few times I've come here and washed my hair, it just gets like so greasy. Like it won't dry. Like this is after I dried my hair. Even the times I've let it air dry, it like still gets greasy like this and it won't stay straight. It's like literally blow drying it and it's like still like nasty. I don't think it's shampoo she has here because I used to use it a while ago and like nothing happened to my hair, and now it's like being gross. So, and tomorrow it's supposed to be like really rainy, I guess, so I highly doubt if my hair is gonna stay straight. We'll see how it looks in the morning. So I'm getting ready right now to leave to go shopping. I just realized I definitely forgot to put concealer on, but it's fine. I haven't been wearing like foundation to work and school and anything, but today I decided to do it just like my regular full face, and I tanned last night like I said. It actually turned out like fine. I was kind of worried because it, like I said, it like comes out clear in this like new version of their tan. I did kind of mess up like my arm, like it's actually really bad, but I'm wearing long sleeves, so it doesn't really matter, and I'm gonna try and like fix it tonight. That's like the downfall of like what I was saying, it comes out clear and I don't know like where I'm putting it, so I have to just like try my best and make sure that it's like going everywhere. But other than that, I think it turned out fine. My hands aren't too bad, but I just feel a lot better, having a little bit of color because I'm super pasty right now. I just have to straighten my hair, even though it's probably gonna be pointless because like I said, our water is being weird, which is making my hair weird, and it's raining. But after that, I am heading out. So I ended up actually just keeping my hair in a ponytail because it's just like way too gross to like deal with. And I'm actually really annoyed by it because I wanted it to like look cute tomorrow. Like look at the ends, like I don't even know what's going on. But I'm just gonna leave it up like this. And I'm wearing the same thing I wore yesterday, like out. This is kind of like the only casual outfit I brought. It's like comfy enough to go shopping, so I'll just be wearing the same thing. So we just went to Five Below. I always want to say Five and Below. This is the only thing I've bought all day. I got a blanket and a rug, and they were only $5 each. But I've been wanting one of these like fluffy ones, and I still haven't bought anything for. Well, I really need to shop for John today, but I haven't gotten anything yet. But maybe soon. And we're trying to figure out if we want to go eat and where we're gonna go. I wore that shirt to bed last night.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got our food. We just ran through the parking lot at TJ Maxx because when I was at I'm not gonna say the store. I was at a store earlier.
Why?
I mean, like, I guess those matter. But it's something for John. Like, I was at a store and I was gonna get him something earlier and then I didn't get it because I thought I could find something different, but I didn't. So now I want to get the other thing, and they close in like 20 minutes. So we ran to go get it. TJ Maxx was a little more successful, and I found myself a sweater too for our trip. My mom loves Groot. And she saw this mug. Look, I am Groot.